Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Greatest Journey stamp set, along with the beautiful shapes dies and the By the Bay Designer Series paper. Okay, but before we get to our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First off, we have the All the Little Things Paper Pumpkin Kit for April. You have until April 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that comes with a free organizer. It will be included in your box. And this kit makes 9 cards, and your stamping spot will be shaded spruce. Next up, we have my March 2023 host code special, only available at Honeybee Stampin' Hive. When you place an order of $100 or more using this host code, I will send you a mystery box for free, and it's going to be filled with over $200 of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'll tell you why I said retirement in a minute. If you place an order of $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. However, you will still qualify to get this mystery box for free. Okay, so that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's go ahead and get to our project. I had retirement on my mind because I'm making a retirement card, and it's going to be a masculine one. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you what I have here. I have some basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4 for the inside, some designer paper that is 3/4 by 3.5, and one that is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and this is all for the inside. Then we have some scrap designer series paper. We're going to do some stamping on that. Then we have some others that are 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 for the front. This one is 2.5 by 4 3/4, and then this one is 1 1/4 by 4 1/4. Then we have some basic, not basic, but Night of Navy that is 4 1/4 by 1 3/8. That's this one. And then 4 7/8 by 2 9/16. Yes, 9/16. Then I went ahead and cut out a hexagon from the die set in the Night of Navy as well. Then we have our card base of Night of Navy. That's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and we're just gonna fold that over and burnish it with our bone folder. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my multi-purpose liquid glue, and we're gonna go ahead and glue our background onto the front of our card. Yes, we're gonna go straight into it. I am excited to be making a masculine card because I don't do these often, because I usually have a hard time. But my husband told me we were going to a retirement party today, so I need to make this card really quick. And it's for a police officer. So that's what made me choose the Night of Navy for blue. And then the rest just went on from there. Okay, so we have this down. I'm going to go ahead and put stuff on its layer. So this one gets glued onto here. I love this paper. It's so cute. And I love the fact that, let me see how I want this to go. Yeah, this is the top. And it does matter on this one how you mount it, because you're going to push this all the way to one edge. So you want to make sure you're pushing the right edge. So you're only going to have a border on 3 sides, okay? Then we're going to take this and mount it right onto our card. And this is the fold right here. And we want to put this right against the edge of the designer series paper. Just like that. And try to space it evenly from the top to the bottom. Okay. Then we'll have this piece to layer on here. And this one only has a border at the top and bottom because the sides are even. You guys, I keep telling you about my noisy desk. I don't know why it creaks so. Oh, this is a little overhang, so let's get some scissors and cut that off, that little piece there. Okay, and then we're going to take this, let's see. I'll put this across the front of the card, like so. I think I'm going to do it a little further down than up. But this is going to go all the way across the card. So you want to get that even to the edge of the card. Okay. Let's get it right there. Because if it's too much on that side, I can cut it off. So I need to get that side even. And I can trim off anything that hangs over. Okay, so now let's go ahead and glue this to the inside of our card. As you can see, I'm using most of the same papers, just the front and back. And this paper is a specialty designer series paper. I don't know if you can see that shine in there. You can see the gold on that piece. We're just going to put this in here. Has the tiniest of borders. Okay, so now we're going to slow it down and do some stamping. So I have some Night of Navy ink, and we're going to stamp on the inside of our card. What does it say? Wishing you joy in the next adventure. So we're just going to stamp that right here at the top. Okay, and then I have some Coastal Cabana, and we're going to stamp the little starry images just to give it some, you know, some more pizzazz on the inside. So that was Coastal Cabana. And then we're going to glue this. Oh, no, we're going to take this piece and glue it. And see, this is the back of the fish that is on the front. Whoop. We're just going to put this right down at the bottom of our card, our white cardstock here. My cutting is off today, just by a hair. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and glue this to the inside of our card. Just like that. Oh, got some glue's trying to squeeze out there. Okay, so that's the inside done. And now we're going to stamp our outside sentiment, and it says, this moment is the start of something great. And we're going to stamp it right on this designer series paper. And again, I'm using the back of the this piece here that's on the front because I really like this design. Oh no, don't stick to that. Okay, so we're going to use the Night of Navy. And we're going to stamp, I want this area right here. It's a little lighter. And I'm just going to stamp that right here in the middle. Oh, that is gorgeous. Let's close this ink up now. We're done with it. And then we're going to get the next hexagon size down from this one. And we're going to die cut this just like this. That is so cute. Let me get some washi tape here. Try to get this lined up here evenly. And we're going to get our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Baby Boss. And we're going to run this through them. Get our little hexagon here. Put our plate on. Okay, so now we have our shape all cut out. And we can mount it to this piece here. This is so cute. I got this card sketch from Christine. I think her last name is Marcotte. She has some good design layouts, some card sketches. So that is super cute. Okay, so we're finished with the glue. Now we need to get some dimensionals. Let me go ahead and trim this because it looks like it's hanging over just a bit, a hair. I don't know why everything is just a hair too long today. Okay, so we have that. So get some Stampin' Dimensionals, and I want to use black since this is a dark color. Let me see. I just want to put it at the top and the bottom. Let me see, just the top and the bottom. Yeah, because I'm going to straddle it over like that. So I just want to, let me see if that's going to be good. No, I think I can go ahead and put it on all over. Oop, I guess I should pick it up though. Let's put one more right there in the middle. Let's get these backs off. Okay, and we'll add this right here to our card front. Yep, I like it right there. And then we have one last thing to add. And that is, what are these called? The Enamel Dot Essentials. And it has Night of Navy, Crumb Cake, and White. And we're going to use some Night of Navy. And we're just going to put them right over here. Oh, come on. Come off. Just like this. Trying to keep a straight line. I know most of the time we always say use 3 embellishments, but since there's 4 sizes, I'm going to go ahead and use all 4 because I'm going to be stuck with a bunch of tiny ones if I don't. Okay, you guys, this is the card done. Isn't this a cute masculine card? I love the idea of stamping on the designer paper. This is super cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.